This is a true story. It is the story of a journey that begins with all of us. It is the journey of trash. Our journey begins with the collection of thousands of tons of trash from households like yours every single day. Next, the trash arrives at the I-66 transfer station, where waste from neighborhoods and businesses is prepared for its final destination. In Fairfax County alone, we generate over 1,800 tons, or nearly 3.7 million pounds of trash daily. Finally, all of this trash is sent to a waste-to-energy facility that turns trash into power, giving it a second life as energy. But even this solution comes with costs. While energy recovery helps reduce landfill waste, incinerating trash still releases emissions, destroys potentially recoverable resources, and there are limits to how much energy we can recover. For now, this is where our journey of trash ends in Fairfax County. The question remains: how much of this waste could have been reduced, reused, or recycled before ever getting here? Unfortunately, not all waste ends up at a waste-to-energy facility. When issues arise, like unexpected shutdowns, our waste has to take a different, more costly route. With no trash landfills in Fairfax County, every extra mile we send our waste increases fuel consumption, raises costs, and creates long-term environmental problems, from methane emissions to loss of land and natural resources. By reducing our waste and recycling, composting, and diverting as much as possible, we can lessen our reliance on both waste-to-energy and landfills, protecting our environment and reducing costs. Reduce, reuse, recycle. The more we divert, the less we send away.